Welcome. Are you looking to step up your investing game beyond simple trading apps? We're diving into the future of finance today, presenting the top 5 AI stock pickers that we believe will outperform platforms like Robinhood by 2026. In today's fast-paced market, relying solely on human intuition or basic trading tools is quickly becoming outdated. AI-driven platforms are the new frontier. We are seeing a significant shift from traditional investing to AI-powered platforms. These systems process mountains of data, including news, social sentiment, and historical trends, to make smarter, faster decisions. By 2026, AI stock pickers are expected to significantly outperform traditional platforms like Robinhood. Why? Because they offer deeper, data-driven analysis, automated strategies, and superior predictive modeling, moving far beyond basic commission-free trading. Starting our countdown at number 1, let's look at a platform that's making waves: Wealthflow. Wealthflow utilizes advanced machine learning algorithms to constantly scan the market. Its core features include real-time market sentiment analysis and intelligent automated rebalancing, ensuring your portfolio stays optimized. A key advantage of Wealthflow is its dedication to long-term growth. It uses proprietary risk assessment models to filter out short-term noise, focusing instead on sustainable returns for committed investors. Next up, our second top AI stock picker, AlgoTrade Pro. This one is all about speed and precision. AlgoTrade Pro is built on advanced algorithmic trading models. It excels at leveraging macroeconomic data and volatility indexing to predict short and medium-term market movements with incredible accuracy. AlgoTrade Pro is versatile, offering tailored investment portfolios. It caters to everyone, from the conservative investor looking for stability to the aggressive trader seeking high-growth opportunities. Our third platform, InvestNexus AI, brings ethics and intelligence together, focusing on a critical niche. InvestNexus AI specializes in ESG, or environmental, social, and governance investing. It uses AI to rigorously screen companies based on ethical metrics, while incorporating volatility hedge strategies for stability. Users love InvestNexus AI's clean user interface and transparent performance metrics. It makes it easy to track how your investments are performing, both financially and ethically. Moving to number 4, we have DiversifyBot, a platform built around the core principle of risk mitigation. DiversifyBot's greatest strength is its relentless focus on risk management. It uses AI to dynamically rebalance your portfolio across global assets, ensuring maximum protection against market shocks. Compared to many institutional-level tools, DiversifyBot is highly accessible, featuring a low minimum investment and a transparent, tiered fee structure that makes AI-driven diversification available to everyone. Rounding out our list at number 5 is Future Gains, the platform that truly looks ahead. Future Gains uses proprietary predictive analytics and forward-looking economic models. Instead of reacting to the market, it aims to position you ahead of major trends, based on decades of backtested data. Its unique benefit lies in combining complex macroeconomic forecasts with individual stock picks, giving users a high-conviction, future-focused portfolio strategy. So, we've reviewed the top 5 AI stock pickers poised to dominate the market by 2026. To recap, our top picks are Wealthflow, AlgoTrade Pro, InvestNexus AI, DiversifyBot, and Future Gains. Each offers unique, powerful advantages over standard trading apps. By 2026, AI won't just be an advantage, it will be a necessity. Embrace these platforms to ensure your portfolio is future-proofed and optimized for maximum returns.